You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation. So we're going to look at how it's pronounced in England or in the UK and in the US as well. If you want to learn more names of famous places in the UK, stay tuned. Chatham is the British pronunciation, or English, the town in England. Chatham. Yes, I know the spelling has a TH, but it's pronounced like a T. Now, in the US, so Chatham is a town in Kent, England, but there's also Chatham in the United States, and that's how they pronounce it. Chatham with a T that sounds like a D, which is a flap T. Chatham is the American pronunciation. In English, Chatham. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.